Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your membership sites with MemberPress step by step clearly. To protect your membership sites with MemberPress, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Locate the MemberPress plugin in the sidebar and click on it to open the settings menu. Begin by creating a new membership plan. Select memberships from the MemberPress menu. Click on the Add New button to create a plan. Fill in the plan title and add a description that summarizes the benefits. Set the pricing options according to your strategy. Choose whether the membership will be a one-time fee or a recurring subscription. Next, scroll down to the Access Conditions section. Here, you'll define which content members can access based on their membership level. Select the type of content you want to restrict, such as posts, pages, or specific categories. Now, proceed to save the membership plan by clicking the Publish button. Next, configure your membership options in the MemberPress settings. Go to the Options tab in the MemberPress menu. Customize the general settings according to your needs. You can set up email notifications, account pages, and other details. Configure your payment gateways in the Payments tab. Add the payment methods you plan to accept, such as PayPal or Stripe. Ensure that your pricing options are correctly set up in the payment settings. Now, go to the Rules section to establish content protection rules. Click on the Add New button to create a new rule. Select the type of content you want to protect and link it to the appropriate membership. Define any additional conditions, like access duration or trial periods. Once your rule is configured, save your changes. To further secure your site, consider adding custom login and registration pages. Navigate to the Pages tab in MemberPress and create new pages for login and registration. Link these pages in your menu for easy access. Test the registration and login processes to ensure everything is functioning well. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.